Hey guys, welcome back to Lee's Lot Cars for something a little bit different, because I am doing an unboxing video. So this is something I've been wanting to get for probably a year, or ever since Ian and Doug from Magnetic Racing showcased this on their YouTube channel. Always wanted this kit, and it has just arrived today. So we're gonna dig into it. It's quite big. I'm hoping I can actually cover this properly on the camera. So I'm going to have to keep one eye on the camera and another eye on what I'm doing. So let's get rid of the big old box first of all. There you go, that can go to one side. Right, what is in the box? Well, I shall show you. Turn it up the other way. Now there looks like there is more here than I actually ordered. I have to be honest. What have we got here? Well, magnetic racing kit would not be a magnetic racing kit without Chewits, and I'm particularly fond of the fruit salad. Thank you guys. A couple of stickers here, which will get put on the layout. And we have, oh, this is brilliant, another sticker there. This one can go on the sticker wall. Well, this is great because I haven't ordered these, and this is a paintbrush holder, which I've got one that I've used previously, but I've got more brushes than brush holder. So this is great. Thank you guys, really appreciate that. That will get a lot of use. A bit of advertising for other products. I mean, you can go on their website and check the whole range, but honestly, these guys are prolific in putting out new products. There's some amazing stuff. Too much for my small layout, unfortunately, but I do love building these kits. Now, what's this? I'll come back to that. This is, well guys, this is brilliant. Thank you so much. So this is a Firestone 2-lane gantry. That's absolutely brilliant. I'm chuffed to bits with that. Well, that's going to get built. Do you know what? I might even have a go at building that today. Fantastic. Thanks guys, Doug, Ian, I really appreciate it, mate. I'll come back to that in a minute. And this is what I have ordered. And this is, well, the barbecue wings, but we all know this as the Hooters bar, let's be honest. And I've got a perfect place for the Hooters bar to actually go on the layout. And I have either featured it on a video, or I will feature it on a video. All depends when this one comes out. But this is a big old kit, and the reason I love this so much, first of all, because the brand, obviously Hooters, who doesn't? But secondly, it's a big kit. You know, it's a big building, and you know, I've got Randy's Donuts and I've got the doghouse, which look really great on the layout, and this will just add to that. This can go on the new location. It'll all be painted, it'll all be lit up. I will probably do it as per the instructions. I'm not really one to customise them too much, but we'll see once I get going. But there's loads of detail in this. The outside looks great, but there's loads of inside detail to do on this as well. So this will be a really exciting build that if I had more time, I would actually crack on with it today. But I haven't, unfortunately. You know, what's in this? I think we've got some figures in here, by the looks of it. Who have we got? Oh, look at that. This is brilliant. We've got the Hooter girls. I need to be very careful how I paint these. But I'll probably do a figure painting video at some point. And this one here Well, what can I say? You got the Ian and Doug of Magnetic Racing figures. Brilliant. Well, looks like Ian is biting into an imaginary hot dog there, and there he's rolling out the barrel to work it off. Brilliant. Thank you guys, this is absolutely brilliant. I'm going to get these painted because they will look fantastic on the layout. So what can I say? Thank you guys so much. I'm really excited to receive this, and I'm so grateful for the other products that you've sent me, guys. I really do appreciate it. And needless to say, there'll be some content of me building these magnificent kits very time soon. So I'm going to leave it there. Thank you for watching, guys, and you'll take care, my friends. Bye bye.